Hey guys, we're halfway to 1,000 subscribers. Halfway. So, in respect to that, I'm gonna do an appreciation. I'm gonna give one of y'all a $50 Amazon gift card. You gotta like this video and comment down below, done. And it sure wouldn't hurt if you shared the video either. Thank you guys. Bye. Hey guys, we're gonna work on this 2017 Ford Expedition. He's told me that the ride is real harsh, needs rear struts. So I'm gonna get some tools pulled out and we'll see if we can't get the rear struts fixed. Well, we got the thing jacked up, got a jack stand under there. Now Ford has opted to use a metric lug bolt. So these are 22 millimeter. We'll get them pulled off now. Okay, next we'll come down here. Right in here, there is a couple little caps. Pop them out, and we'll pull this caliper off. That's a 7 millimeter Allen wrench. Okay, now we'll take this in here and spread the caliper. And then get you a piece of wire. Like that. Now we got a caliper hanger right there. So no tension on the line. Good deal. So now we'll come over here. I think these are 15 millimeter. Take all the top of them out, and then we'll move on to the next piece. Now we'll take our 24 millimeter on the Milwaukee impact. I think that was 24. Yeah. Milwaukee impact, and we'll go ahead and buzz him out. Put it in the parts pile. Now we'll take a 30 millimeter, or no, that's 27, I think. I think that one's a 27 millimeter. Yeah, 27 millimeter, and we'll take this one out. Now you can't get the impact in there. I tried. So what I did, I took my ratchet, went and got me a cheater pipe, and now I'll just start walking that thing out. Now before you get all that completely out, I like to take a jack, stick under there for safety reasons. And put a little pressure, upward pressure on it. There, he is out. We'll take him and put him in our parts pile. Now we can slowly let the jack down. There's no more pressure on it. So now you know it's all loose. Now we'll take a 30mm on that big boy and a 27 on the other side and run him out. Now that I got him out, the strut is falling down. We can just pry this down and pull it out all at the same time. There we go. It is out and ready for the scrap pile. So let's go get the new one put in. Here's a trick for you. We got the new one put in. It's not installed, but it's put in its spot. We'll take the jack underneath there. And push him over. Okay. Now that we got that pushed over, we'll jack it up some more. And we'll have to start lining up our bolts. But now we can use the jack to line up our bolts instead of our muscles. So here we go. Well, I sure hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and you'll be entered for the $50 Amazon gift card. I sure hope you found it helpful. We're halfway to 1,000 subscribers. Just need a like and share the video. As soon as we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, I will do a random drawing on this $50 gift card. So thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye.